Do you hate getting lost when you're traveling in a new location? So do I. I'm going to tell you how to avoid that coming up. Welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday with the Traveling Cheesehead. My name is Michelle, and every Tuesday I share a practical and helpful travel tip to save you time, money, and headaches. So today is all about getting lost. Way back when it was our first trip to Spain, we were driving. This is when we went to Malaga and we rented a car from the airport. And we had very limited data at that time on that trip. And as you know, depending on your phone plan, data can cost a lot of money when you're overseas. So we weren't trying to spend all this extra money on data, and we completely got lost. We had to stop, open up our online maps, get charged like whatever, $15, $20 for that day of data that we were using just to access the maps. So what I learned after that trip was that I can download maps off of Google, and you can do it for an entire city, and then they are accessible offline, meaning that you don't need internet access or Wi-Fi or anything like that, and you don't need to use your data in order to access these offline maps. I've done this now on several trips. I've done it in the Caribbean, in Europe, when I've needed to be able to navigate the streets, whether I'm walking or taking public transportation, or even if I am driving. I want to make sure I know where I'm going because I don't want to waste time getting lost and missing out on some of the things that I really wanted to see. And I also don't want to spend a buttload of money on an international plan or on international data to be able to access the maps live. And when you think about it, you don't really need the maps to be live, you just need them to be accurate. And if you download them a day or two before your trip, Google Maps is a great one that will allow you offline access to their maps, and you can download the maps from those areas. There are also travel apps that you can do this in, and I'll put the links below for the different travel apps I've used to download maps. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. I of course recommend the free ones. Those are other resources for you if you don't have Google Maps or you just don't like Google Maps. But that's really the easiest and most cost-effective version because it's completely free and we know that it's highly accurate. So download your maps for the locations you're going to go visit ahead of your trip so that you can access those maps should you need them if you're getting lost. I hope you found today's tip helpful and you don't get lost on your next trip because you'll be using a downloaded map. Please smash that like button. I appreciate the feedback. I'd love to know what questions you have about travel, what tips you would like me to cover coming up. Where have you wasted money? Where have you wasted time? Where have you gotten lost? Put it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe because every Tuesday I come out with a brand new travel tip and you don't want to miss a thing. Thank you for watching the Traveling Cheesehead Travel Tip Tuesday. Until next time, travel safe.